Hi fam, how you are doing? I hope you are doing well. Number one, pardon the video quality. I'm shooting with my front camera. Number two, I don't have my tripod. Number three, I don't have my microphone because hubby took it and he's currently in Africa. I'm super excited today because today is I want to speak with evidence. Today is August the 9th. Today is August the 9th, 2025. Yep. And officially we are traveling to Cameroon. Yeah, I'm super duper excited. This trip has been postponed for almost like 3 times or so. So I keep postponing this trip. Because of one stuff or the other, and my siblings, it got to a point I'm like, okay, I'm gonna come in December of last year. I cancelled. I'm like, okay, instead of December I'm gonna come June. December high season. I'm like, okay, June, no way. Okay, let me push it to September. Next month is September. And I said to myself, enough is enough. We are officially traveling in December. I won't state the date, but I know maybe this series might start like you watching the video maybe in January or so, by God's grace. So we officially starting Cameroon series by party. Remember we did a series last time in South Africa, so now I'm doing another one from here, which means we're gonna have so much content. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, this is the time to, because that is where the short form content will start. I'm creating content on there too, but of course I won't forget my YouTube family here with the long form content. And yep guys, I'm so super excited. So this officially starts today. I'm going to be walking you guys through every step. What do I mean by every step? From shopping, from sourcing out things. I'm going to vlog even my intestines this time around. Like, I'm not going to skip any part starting from today. So today I've done a lot of stuff. I didn't want to start vlogging with my phone because I'm like, okay, I want to start everything on my camera, but it's fine, I'm going to start on here. So starting from today, I was checking out the guest houses. I was on TikTok for almost like 2 hours checking out beautiful guest houses that we have in Cameroon, and I sourced out like 6 of them that I have to narrow down and pick. Another thing is today I'm so super excited because I have not seen my mom for like 3 years. I've not seen my brother. He's in Dubai for almost like 6 years. I've not seen him. I think I last saw him, was it 2019? I've not seen him, so you can count. It's been very long. So it's going to be like a family reunion. We're all reuniting in one place. I am super, the excitement is out of here. I just wish my dad was here to just like seal things up, but well, we're all going to die one day. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to take you guys for the shopping, the buying, everything, the packaging, the surprises, the blah 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 blah. And today again I was checking out flight. I'm traveling in December, people, and we all know December is a peak season when booking flight. It doesn't matter if you want to book early. Guys, I really have to be quick. My phone storage is so full. So let me just wrap up this really quick because I can't wait for iPhone 17. It's coming out next month, so I can go get my iPhone 17 and get maybe 1 terabyte. Okay, people, so I was just saying I checked out guest houses and I checked flight. You guys know flight in December is not for the week. High season, peak season, and your girl wants to travel business class. And it's so expensive. I don't know how I'm going to pull it, but let's see. Let's find out. But I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure because, guys, look, when you're going back home, we have a lot of stuff to do. Like, and again, it's the festive period where we meet with family. I need to get gifts for people and so on. Yep. So I'm not so sure about it. So I'm super excited. Hobby actually travels. So I'm just waiting for him to come so I can book my flight and secure it. I've not booked my flight, but I want to do it I have maximum 1 week to get this flight done because that is the only way. When I book my flight and I pay for this guest house, I know it's sealed. I'm just because after this vlog, I want my nails to breathe. So these are my natural nails. Okay, this is not the main thing why we are here. I already did a record of this. Anyways, welcome to clip 2 of my travel diary or travel series with Patty to Cameroon. I'm just super excited today because today is what's today's date? Today is August the 26th, and we successfully booked our flight ticket. after a very long struggle. Guys, if you know, like, traveling in December, peak season, the flights are not friendly at all. I've been looking back and forth since from the day I dropped this clip, the first clip. We've been looking up and down. Initially, hubby's like, okay, I've been to, because he's visited Cameroon like 2 times in 3 months for business. It's like, you know what, I'm tired, I don't want to do it, you can go. I'm like, okay, no problem. So I was making my plan, and Oga changed his mind last minute, like, I have to go with you, which is cool because December is a period where we meet with family, with friends, we socialize and all of that, you know. So I'm just so super excited. We're gonna be making this trip together. So today we successfully booked our flight ticket, guys. Like, when you check the flight ticket for, like, say, let's say for September, for example, it is so affordable. Like, it's very cheap, let me put it that way, like very affordable. I'm gonna do a breakdown of how much I spent for my trip after this video. And we booked the economy, of course. I'm like, okay, no problem, I don't want the business class. But there's one thing about business class: don't book business class up front. Always book your economy. They can always upgrade. That way you spend less. Oh, my hands hurt. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk about that maybe more on another clip. So that's it. So we already booked that. And today I sent my younger brother to, I already sourced out 3 guest houses and a hotel where we're going to be spending some time. Initially, I wanted to split, like, you know, explore guest houses, right? Maybe stay in 2 just to get that feel. But I'm like, who is going to be unpacking those things, moving up and down? Like, what was the stress for? So I already sourced, I've seen one particular one that I just, the moment I spotted, I fell in love with. And it's in a good location, security wise, blah blah blah. So my brother is going to go check it out, and I'll give you guys an update. So that's all I have for today. And I already started shopping. I already did some shopping online. So most of the shopping, I'm just going to be doing them online. The ones that I can do in store, I'm going to share it on here. Yeah, so I've already started shopping. Yeah, I still have some months to go, but it's good to plan far ahead. Once you plan far ahead, people, it helps you to allocate your budget. It helps you to plan accordingly with no rush and running around like a headless chicken, because
protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go, never been sure.
Welcome back to another Cameroon series. So I just came back from Bath and Body Works. Today is the, I want to keep track of dates. Today is the 30th. Hi fam, welcome back to another Cameroon series. Today is September the 15th or 16ish, I can't remember. But I started receiving my packages from my online store. I'm just shopping everywhere, especially Fashion Nova, and I think I got this from Timo. Why would I buy 19 items and I'm receiving just one? I guess from different vendors. So I just received this one. I'm expecting more packages to come in today, tomorrow. So I'm going to be sharing that in the next video. Like I told you guys, we're documenting everything, at least 90%. All right, people, I'm not going to open it here. I'll open it at home. Let's see what we're going to find out when I order everything, and we'll put them together. Okay? I cut my nails, I know. All right, fam, today is September 20, is it 22nd? 23rd, September 23rd, and these are the items that I've been receiving. If you look here, these are all of the items that I've been receiving. I've been able to unbox some of the stuffs already, my own personal stuff. I've been able to unbox my own personal stuff that I got from Fashion Nova, Zara, Micah's, Baby Boo, and what's the other name? I might just insert it up here. So these are some of the items, and I can tell you this is just, let me say, 20% of what is still to come. This is a big box right here from, I don't know if it's Shein or Timo, but we're gonna unbox it together. Yep, I might not open the content. Some of the items here, we got shoes, we got clothing. You see, like a lot, all of these parcels, guys, I already opened it. So now I got this parcel like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I've been so busy, so I haven't taken a look at what is inside. So I'm just going to open the content first. Maybe let's do it together. Let's see what we got. I look a hot mess, but no problem. So this item, I think I got it from Temu. I already know what is in here, because I'm just buying, like, I don't even know, like, I've been shopping. So this week, today, I shopped for jewelries on Shein. Yeah, I spent like a lot of money shopping for jewelries on Shein. Yeah, so like I said, this is just cooking apron that I saw, you know, and decided to just... Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So I just got my first, I've never bought a Michaels before, so this is my first outfit. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, let me unbox and I get back to you guys. Guys, update, sorry, I'm using my phone. I don't have a mic, pardon the audio quality, and my camera, hobby travel with my camera. So guys, I have started packing officially, and I am way, the stuffs are, I don't like to pay extra kg. I don't even have money at this point. Like, I've not even started packing other stuff, but already like 23 kg, 3 bags is already consumed, and we have just 4. I've not even packed my stuff. Hobby hasn't packed his. I was underestimated. I was just buying and going and buying heavy stuffs. So I have to sit now back and see which, oh my god, this is crazy. I don't want to take out anything because I already bought everything for each person and personalize them. This is crazy. So now I have to call the airline. I saw the extra kg ranges from $170 to $270 for 1 extra kg. Because I cannot do 2 extra kgs, it will be too much. So I'm, at the end of the day, that's what we're going to do. And guess what? I haven't finished buying stuff. So I'm just going to hoard at this point. I'm not buying anything. Yeah, that is it. I'm not buying any other thing. This is done deal. It's finished. Yeah. I'm not buying anything because this is crazy. Nah. Hey fam, welcome again to another travel series by Patty, Cameroon travel vlog. I don't know how to term it. I'm still working on the theme. Pardon these 2 buns going on right here. I'm just trying to let my hair breathe a little bit before, because you know, if you're going to Africa, you know what I'm talking about. That's where you do the best hair for affordable prices. So that's why you will just see me the way I yeah. All right people, let's cut to the chase. This morning I'm going to be showing you guys, or we're going to be reviewing, or like a shopping haul, stuff that I got. I'm going to be putting my personal items on there. We're talking about my skincare products, talking about my jewelry, talking about every travel pack size. Let me put it that way. So straight to the point, I'm just going to be showing you real quick because I'm running late for work. So this is the travel pack that I got for cosmetic bag that I got. I think I got this from Burlington. This was like $10. It was really good. So I don't know what to put in here, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I pack in here. I might just show you guys when I've already packed and just show you like this is what is in here, or I might just insert a clip. I don't know how it's going to work out. So I got this first bag right here. It's really good, durable, strong, so I can use this for all my travels, because this is something that I like, black, and being a travel girly, I think it's appropriate to have one. And also I had my eyes on this. I got this at Walmart. Yeah, this is good. I think it comes in a pack of 3 sets on there. I have not even opened, as you can see. Let's see what is in there. Let's see. I have to still do an unboxing. I'll be travel with my camera, so I could have been shooting for TikTok and doing the same for YouTube. Could have been easier for me. So this is it. Let me open this and see how many compartments, because since I bought it, guys, I've not even opened to see what's in there. And it's been sitting in, oh my god, it's been sitting in here for weeks. So we got this. This is really cool. I could put my glasses, sunshade on here. You see that we have 1, 2. This is really cool. I have to unzip because we have to unbox 2 for TikTok. And this one too. So it's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's a set of 5. Yeah, 2, 4. Set of 4 right here. It comes really handy. So it makes your stuff really organized. Like you don't have to run around, or especially when you're traveling and you'll be going places, going to Africa. It just makes organization really good, and your stuff, you can see all your stuff in one place. So this is what I got, and I love the color. Lately I'm a brown girly, kind of result around brown theme and all. And guys, I wouldn't stop buying, because I went to, tell me why I got this again. I think I got this at Ross, so it was so beautiful. I'm like, what will I pack in here? I'm like, if I don't have anything to pack, I might just give it to hubby. But this is what is going to go in my travel bag, in my handbag, where I can just put the essential skincare for just travel pack, what I'll be needing at that moment, my chargers, my batteries, skincare products still. I'm going to put them in here. It's really cool, and it comes in this dark blue color, yeah, or navy blue. And still from Ross again, I wouldn't stop buying because they were so pretty, they were so cool. I got this is 2 sets, and again, let's open that up and see what's in here, guys. So I'm just rushing through the video because I'm running late. Yeah, so it comes in 2 packs right here. I haven't figured out what I'll put on here, but I'll see what to do. So this is it right here from Ross. That's the second one, and I think I got this from Timu. Yeah, this is organized. I think this is for glasses or my underwear. I don't know. It's not really good quality, but I'll see what to do with this particular one. And the next one I just got this. I don't know what I'm going to put in there yet, but it's just simple, you know, nothing much going on. And yep, that's it. And on here, that's it for now. Let me go grab. Okay, fam, the next item we have here is this travel backpack. I think if you watch my Mexico vlog, I did pack my travel or my cloth in something like this. I don't know where I kept it, but it's somewhere. So I got this in a beige color where I can just pack in my clothes and just name the, like, maybe jeans, tops, you know, evening wears. So I decided to get a brand new one in teal color. So it's a compartment. I think it's like 10 sets or so. It makes travel really easy, where you can just pack all your stuffs in there and just put it. And to me, I think it's the best way to pack. So I got 2 of them. I'm going to give one for hubby. He doesn't really have much, so I'm going to use some of them still. So I got 2 packs to help me organize pack. Yep, guys, so that's it about this episode of what I'm going to be putting on there. And in here I got everything. This thing is already weighing like God, my skincare product is already weighing like 10 kilo. I haven't even the jewelry and all. So these are all the stuff I'll be organizing in these boxes. Yeah, so to put them together, we're going to be doing that together here. I might not do it. If I don't do it here, I might just show you guys on a clip how I've already finished organizing it. So this is what I'm going to be doing on tomorrow. I have to start packing my personal, because I already packed for my family. There's no need showing you guys what I got for them. It's kind of personal, it's private. So I've already packed for them. You must have seen like stipend, or must have seen like small clips of what I inserted on here or showed in the past or before watching this. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting all of this in the backpacks or in the travel size bags. I don't even know where they're going to enter, but we'll figure a way out. So this is it. I'm going to be putting it on there, and yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So that's it. So I'm just going to move now and pack my stuffs, and you're just going to see how I pack them in the cubes. I'm not going to be showing you like, this is my shoe, this is what I'm taking. You will see that when I get to Cameroon. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like, share, and also drop a comment down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Ciao.